Why does the spirit have to remain in one place? Why can't it travel freely?
Wherever he resides, he must remain. And he remains wherever his last victim was killed.
What does this devil's angel have to do with you?
I was the one who forgot to close the door.
So what you thinking about?
The fall choir concert tonight at 7. What else would I be thinking about?
I think we're thinking about Eli.
Well, I was thinking about asking him to harvest, but
You could just do a doorstep.
ugh. Doorsteps are so tacky, so overdone, so impersonal. I'm gonna do something different. This is going to be interesting.
Alright, I'm back.
Hey!
I was gone for 5 minutes and you put tacky balloons on there. And are you writing in blood?
No, I did that for homecoming. Guess I was right. Balloons are kind of tacky. He's coming.
Hey!
Hey, man!
Hey!
Hi.
Hey, how'd it go? Not too good. Cut another finger.
Fall is here, hear the yell, back to school, ring the bell, brand new shoes.
Hey, Lauren. Hey, Ella.
What you doing?
Asking Eli to harvest.
Are those balloons?
Yeah.
I thought I took those from you.
It's okay. I had extras.
You know his locker is over there, right? Lauren, this is the best thing to do.
Fine. So be it.
Good luck!
You've got to be kidding me. Hey guys! Thanks for watching the video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up,
Comment.
and subscribe. Click here to watch last week's video.
Click here to watch the homecoming assembly video.
Good morning, Vikes! Dude, this is my resignation from dating. I'm gonna be single!
I bear witness to this fact. There are aliens out there. Bye.